Hi, my name is Lawson. Welcome to another edition of Velo Living. Today we're going to be treating on how to patch your tube. Basic stuff you need in order to do the patching when you want to patch your tube, and how to do it professionally. Those are the basic stuff you need. You need a Nutric patch kit. It comes with a tire lever, a solution, a scratch, and your patch. It's very important. You always get this from the local bike shop. You can always contact VeloCare for this. Then you basically need a small pump if you're riding on your own or you want to do it on your own. You can get a floor pump, but this is always handy and it's very good. Then you need a wipe if you want to check inside the tire if there's a wear, something has snapped in, because if you use your bare hand you might injure yourself, so you need a wipe. It acts like a wool for your own safety. Okay. When you want to start repairing the puncture, you start from the non-drive side and you start opposite the valve. So you're not removing the tire from this section, you're removing the tire from this section. Okay, now we go. This is the function of this stuff here. Okay. And we put the second one on the stuff here. Remove the second one. Remove the third one. Your thumb on the tire. Then off you go. See? Then to use your bare hand, use this. Okay. You remove one section of the tire and you pick your tube gently all the way around. Okay. Off you go. Now, first of all, we're going to look through the tire to see if there's any wear or tire or has picked up something. You don't use your bare hand, you use the tissue gently to feel around the tire. Okay, go gently. Okay. This tire is probably the tube will just have a problem, but the tire is nice, good, and nothing, it does not pick anything. So the next section, what we have to do, we have to pump the tire to feel for the section where the tube is leaking from. Take this in, this up. sometimes can be demanding if the hole is very big. Okay. I think in this case the hole is big, so you have to yeah, we finally found it here. Okay, so there's the hole. So take this off, take a scratch, and probably you scratch the section. This patch kit is very good. Okay, scratch around the surface area. Okay. Then doing that in such a way, if you're on the road, you're stranded, you can always do it on your own. For this basic stuff, you always carry them around with your bicycle, and you get your solution. You apply very small portion of the solution. You can use your thumb finger to spread it around the affected area. Then you allow it to dry for some time. Take this back. Okay. You get one of your patch. Send back this thing. The patch. Then you allow the solution to dry for about 3 to 4 minutes. You can feel it. It's like a gum. It's very nice, very good. Okay. Get that view over it. Okay. Yeah, replace it. Squeeze. Easy and nice. The tube is perfectly patched. Okay, so the tube is perfectly patched. Now you can send it back to the tire. And you can do that. So you first of all install the tube like this. You put it in. Then you push the valve in, so that making sure the valve sits inside the tire. Okay. Then you put the rest part of the tube inside the tire. Okay. Making sure once more the valve, the tube is well seated inside the tire. Then when you get to this section, then you can use the tire lever. Okay? Be very careful, making sure to tell you that there no cleans your tube. Okay, after this, just to make sure all the tube that is inside the tire, just checking. Yeah, get your pump. Start it right now. You pump to a section that you can feel the tire is a little bit hard. Just to make sure the tube is properly installed. Feel your tire. Making sure the tire sits properly, just to make sure the tube is inside the tire. Okay. Go to the section then. You pump your tire. Wow. So basically, this stuff is to make sure you get back safely, and your tire is well installed, and you've patched your tire, so you can let that do gauging your tire to 100 psi or 120 psi, depends on the manufacturer, but for now you're fine. You can get back home. Thank you for watching. You can always place a comment. I'll be hoping to hear from you. Thank you.